All right, we're in Key West and we're going to 915. All right, 915, let's check out the menu. Lots of good stuff here. Seafood stuff, Italian steaks, a little bit of everything. All right, we started with the summer salad. This just looks so good. We decided to split. We're just doing some small dishes tonight. All right, the grilled asparagus with pancetta and the fries or pommes frites, it's like I like to say. The little aioli and ketchup dip. All right, looks good. All right, nice glass of Cote d'Ivoire. And that's dessert, Nicole's martini. I think the rosé got left. All right, well, I've got the amazing drip tonight. You can see, yeah. The wife's looking good. It's her birthday tomorrow. Say happy birthday. Anyways, we're just gonna kind of walk around and walk the food off. Dinner was really amazing. I mean, I understand we didn't really have any like big fancy entrees. We've been kind of trying to stay as good as we can because we're going to Scotland in a few weeks. And we're gonna be there for almost 5 weeks, so we're trying to be really good, and we've been very, very healthy lately. So anyways, check out this place. It's been in business for a long time. Wine list is really good, and service was really, really nice. All right, so we have a continuation of today. We're at Vino's just down the street. I gotta say, this place has an amazing little wine list shop here. I just wanted to add it to the video because we're definitely impressed with it. Anyways, thanks again. Sorry to add it, but I had to, you know? It's a good little spot. If our little winos are down in Key West, this is the spot.